Remember texting people on that Nokia 350 or 3 days to just send a text thanks. तो मम्मी पापा घर पे
हाँ.
नहीं है तो हम ये सीडी लगाएंगे देखेंगे पापा के ड्रॉर में से सीडी निकालेंगे CD and
I don't think this is gonna go the
we took
right
the
way.
CD we put and something is happening bro it was
Speaking of like movies and celebrities, did you like watch a lot of movies at home if you didn't watch in the theaters, especially on those like CDs?
oh we had CDs we had radio I mean radio pe to you can't watch TV not everybody had like TV at their home and like all those cassette and stuff
Yeah.
but I went to like one of my friends he had he had the CD and stuff so we were like कि आज तो मम्मी पापा घर पे
हाँ.
नहीं है तो हम ये CD लगाएंगे देखेंगे पापा के ड्रॉर में से CD निकालेंगे and then we'll see कि क्या है we took the CD and
I don't think this is gonna go the
we took
right
the
way.
CD we put and something is happening bro it was porn like people because of course phone नहीं था ना वो time पे
हाँ, तो
so they had to
who
store
is this
that
friend, by the way?
no I'm not gonna bro people have stopped being friends with me okay they are like if we tell you something you will tell this in your podcast so they
Yeah,
don't tell
but
me
we will
anything
never
anymore.
reveal.
No but
So
we'll
it's
not
okay.
say your name but then they know so they feel attacked
Anonymous. हाँ, तो
Yeah.
we are also telling you so much about ourselves.
हाँ तो
ठीक है
तो
ना?
मत बोलो समझे ना हाँ
हाँ.
so we checked of course they didn't have at that time to watch xxx.com or whatever so they used to store it in CD so we watched that we didn't
वाह.
watch it no we didn't watch it mummy papa
नहीं.
they're watching
बंद कर दिया.
yeah
This
we
is-
shut it because we're too young to watch all that
Yeah.
but we do know the process Thanks.
I mean, CD was like a very big thing. हमारे इधर ना there was a shop near our neighborhood, and you could go to that shop and you could rent a CD, and you would get 3 movies in that CD. You have no idea what movies they are and how the recording is going to be because all friends would come and we would watch that 3 movies in one sitting only because like
Wow.
आज का ही rent है तो कल देना पड़ेगा full register में वो लोग लिखते हैं and everything.
Oh God.
Yeah, dude. So that was the thing with CDs, but like CDs, you know, you would have like a case for CDs, like that
हाँ,
plastic वाला,
हाँ.
and then वो एक CD
Line
उसमें
से.
जाएगा and everything.
I remember I had Rush Hour 1, 2, 3 पूरा बढ़िया से cassette and me and my brother we used to
Oh.
watch it.
My favorite used to be Narnia. I was obsessed. Like Narnia का CD था मेरे पास. Another movie that was my favorite 2000 score movie was Doom.
Doom Challenge.
So Doom, I was like so obsessed with Doom. I used to put it so many times that as a kid I could know कि ये वाले speaker से अभी आवाज आएगा. मैं इतना देखती थी
Oh my
Doom
God.
for some reason. Like
Hmm.
Doom 1, 2, 3, favorite of all time.
क्या बात है?
Getting back to CDs, I don't think like kids today will know what burning a CD means. They
they
probably
won't.
think fire is involved, but technology there was no fire involved, but technology back then was kitna mehnat. It was like genuine hard work.
Yeah,
You know?
bro. Remember texting people on that Nokia 350 or 750 or whatever?
Yeah.
So cool, no?
Yeah.
You'll take 3 days to just send a text thanks.
And have like letters all over, like QWERTY. You have
ABC
1, 2,
उसमें
3.
D.
So like WhatsApp send करने के लिए you would take like forever.
Really, literally.
And not just that, it's like you will get charged per message. So people would shorten the words into such embarrassing
THX. Tux.
thanks. Are you coming would be RUCMNG. And no question mark also. तभी भी लोगों का डेडिकेशन था. थोड़े लोग मैसेजेस एंड ऑल भी भेजते थे in terms of jokes and all, संता बनता jokes and हाथी चीटी jokes and like thought of the day or something like that. I'm like, I must be really special that you are spending your 1 rupee to send.
1 rupee on me. You had those things like to recharge your phone.
Hmm.
You'll have that coupon.
Hmm.
So you can't just normally go on Vodafone somewhere and recharge it. You will have coupon. You'll go to like the phone wala shop.
Yeah.
I'll take coupon, have 1 rupee ka coin and like scratch it. And then you get a code. You put *121 and then you put that code and then your phone gets recharged. You get like 10 rupees or something in your
क्या
phone.
बात कर रही है?
हाँ, bro. I've done that. You'd
I
probably
have
don't know.
never heard of that, but
You guys
that
tell
is,
me if you guys know what I'm talking about.
yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
I think I've seen people go to stores to recharge, but I didn't know that was the
Yeah. It's like you
process.
get 20 rupees ka that voucher kind of a thing.
Yeah.
30 rupees ka, and then you recharge your phone.
That's what I'm saying. So much mehnat. Even for like getting access to music, you couldn't just like stream music whenever you wanted.
You cannot.
You had to download music or get
MP3.
CDs and turn that into MP3 files. Yeah. And then I used to like sit down and put album cover to every track, and my friends would come over and they would go through all of my playlist and be like, हाँ ये अच्छा है, ये ब्लूटूथ कर देना. And then like बैठे हम ऐसे 15 मिनट वो ब्लूटूथ हो रहा है. And it's been a good visit when you go to your friend and you return back with 15 songs at least.
Wow. I remember when people will come from Mumbai and all to our gaon, they'll come with full phone and
माल लेके आएंगे.
they are the coolest people. So गांव के बच्चे भाई उनके पीछे जो भागेंगे ना, अरे भैया अरे भैया अरे भैया अपना फोन दिखाओ भैया एक फोटो ले लो. That used to be so cool.
Yeah.
So I think ओम शांति ओम का नया सॉन्ग आया था वो. ओम शांति ओम में कोई तो एक सॉन्ग है, बहुत क्रेजी सॉन्ग है.
आंखों में तेरी.
नहीं एक और है.
दीवानगी दीवानगी.
दीवानगी दीवानगी.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that time was the theme, and I believe my brother had come from Mumbai.
Yeah.
And he is full cool kid, okay?
Yeah.
He'll come in गाँव और वो रिंगटोन वगैरह ऐसे गाना उधर रख देगा, पूरे गांव के ऐसे बच्चे सब लोग आएंगे, सब लोग दीवानगी दीवानगी पे नाच रहे. ओहो crazy, because not everybody has phone, no? तो कोई लेके आएगा तो बोले अरे भैया के पास फोन है.
Bro, ringtone is such a vibe.
Ringtone.
मेरा फोन का रिंगटोन क्या है, I don't know only because it's always on silent. But back then we used to dedicate so much to ringtones. Like I remember
Ringtones in 2000.
and ringtone is still fine. You would even put a caller tune. You would willingly spend money so that the person who's calling you
can listen to the music.
Yeah, to a new song or something.
What was yours?
You know,
She had something.
I was like an emotional teenager, so my caller tune was actually "Tujhe Bula Diya" from Anjana. Waka Waka for a while.
Oh,
I became
okay.
fun
She became
after
cool.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People at that time had that Akon ka music. I wanna wake up right now, now, now.
Every cool guy
every
had
cool
Akon.
person will have Akon.
Yeah, like तभी गाने बजाने नहीं मिलते थे तो लोग ऐसे लिटरली बोलते थे कि एक बार कॉल करती हूँ ना, मैं रिंगटोन सुनना है या कॉलर ट्यून सुनना है.
People used to be like, मैं कॉल करूंगा उठाना मत. उठाना मत क्योंकि 1 रुपए तो चला जाएगा तुम्हारा, तो हम तुम्हें कॉल करेंगे, तुम उठाना मत ताकि हम तुम्हारा गाना सुन सके. Remember, did you have that? Do you guys had that telephone? The wired telephone, landline.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Had landline in our गांव. There are 5 houses who had landline. पूरे गांव के 500 घर उसी 5 landline पे जाते थे. House, there'll be like 5-6 people who would have given their number to their husbands or wives, whoever, not wives, husbands, whoever is living somewhere, Mumbai, Qatar, Watar. They'll call कि हाँ 4 बजे इनके घर पे कॉल आएगा. They'll call and talk.
Oh my
so
God.
husband will call for his wife or whatever. So they'll have like full romantic conversation.
Aww.
But they didn't know somebody on the other line was listening because we had 2. Okay. So one will be here where you're talking. और उसी का एक landline एक दूसरे side पे रहता था, corner of the house. So you can hear what they are talking.
Oh shit.
And you know, me being a bit of a spice girl,
gossip तभी भी बचपन में चाहिए था इसको.
I used to listen to spicy conversation. वो बहुत याद आ रही है हमें तुम्हारी. बहुत हो गया. 1000 रुपए भेज देते तो बड़ा अच्छा हो जाता. बच्चे को नया कपड़ा देना है. That is what they used to do. I'm not joking.
Oh my God.
Surf excel खत्म हो गया.
It was fun because like you had to sit there and like dedicate yourself to the call, and आराम से आधा घंटा, 1 hour, 2 hours also sometimes would go because I think it wasn't as expensive as doing a mobile phone call. Days ki sorry it's wrong number या wrong number लग गया cannot be done anymore because you don't dial number
Wrong
yourself.
numbers.
So it's like no one now will know that feeling of अरे यार wrong number ये कौन random person.
And also connection कहीं और लग गया.
हाँ.
Like you're talking to your papa and अचानक से कोई रमेश uncle is saying hello.
Yeah.
I'm like अरे uncle.
That is so apt.
Yeah, true. Ramesh uncle saying and then अचानक से फिर से पापा आ रहे बेटा. Ramesh uncle hello. like, अरे क्या हो रहा है?
Or joy is like, you know, when you're mad at someone or when you're excited, you just slam the.
it.
You can't do this with your delicate phones now, can you?
Yeah, you can't really. But I do like this. But still like अच्छे से then I check कहीं टूट तो नहीं गया. How we upgraded, no? We had Nokia 350.
Hmm.
We had Blackberry.
Hmm.
Blackberry.
Ah,
I had
wait.
Blackberry.
Cool kid, man.
Yeah,
That's
I
a
had
flex.
Yeah, that is a flex. Blackberry, and then iPhone 5 something,
I
and
jumped on.
iPhone 6, and now look at us, we are using iPhone 17, and all. This is not 17.
तुम्हारा iPhone भी तुम्हारे साथ बूढ़ा हो
But I was
रहा
like,
है. That Dabba phone had its own charm. You could just play like 2 or 3 games on it.
subsidy.
Subsidy and that snake thing that goes. I got like this Chinese phone from somewhere. You could take out the antenna like that and then you could listen to radio. Oh, radio. Did you listen to a lot of radio?
I did. I did. Not a lot of radio, but Baba used to listen. My granddad,
Ah.
he used to listen, and then I used to just be there. So of course,
Yeah.
अगर match चलता रहता
Yeah.
था, बाबा पूरा ऐसे लगा के एकदम कान पे, he had like this big radio.
Yeah,
antenna
TV
लगा
नहीं
के,
रहता था ना तभी
ऐसे ऐसे घूमते रहते थे. It was so fun.
Oh, that's so nice. But I used to listen to a lot of radio because in 2000s you could do time pass in TV, in magazines, in radio.
Magazines as well.
Yeah, and in radio I used to love listening to Red FM, which is like 93.5 Malishka. If you're listening.
Malishka! My
Yeah.
dad would like it. He likes Malishka.
Yeah.
Not likes, but yeah, likes listening to her.
And now Miss Upadhyay
पता
आएंगी.
चला मम्मी आके झगड़ा कर रही है. That time we used to get those magazines and all as well, right?
Oh yeah, I used to love
Newspaper. अब
magazines.
कहाँ कोई newspaper पढ़ता है?
हाँ.
पढ़ते हैं क्या लोग?
पढ़ते हैं एक्चुअली
पर
क्योंकि किसी
magazine
चीज
वगैरह
के
नहीं
साथ
पढ़ते.
फ्री सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल जाता है इसलिए.
तो पढ़ते हैं. Nobody is like voluntarily doing that कि न्यूज़पेपर लगवाया है. I don't know, अमीरों के घर में होता होगा, नॉर्मल लोगों के घर में तो नहीं होता है.
I
Because-
miss the action of flipping pages
Ah.
like that. And you know when the newspaper is delivered fresh in the morning, it smells different.
Smells so good. It's about the CD.
Technologies.
Technology.
Technology. Yeah. But you know, one of my other core 2000s memories on television is the shows that would come late in the night at like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. They were just selling random products in the night. Telemarketing.
रात
Telemarketing.
को रिमोट बेच रहे हैं ना.
रिमोट बेच रहे, लिपस्टिक बेच रहे हैं, मॉप बेच रहे हैं एंड एवरीथिंग एंड
कुछ भी रैंडम चलता रहता.
हाँ कुछ भी. But it used to interest me so much as a kid, and I feel like it's the perfect time to sell it because people are like so drunk and so tired. They're just like, yeah, we'll buy this three. It's impulse
ले
buy.
रहे थे.
Yeah, and
Impulse
people.
buy.
Yeah, I used to buy like makeup kits and all of that. Jewelry मिलता था उस पे. 4 बजे तक सुबह चलता रहता था वो.
Why were you awake at 4? Auntie.
Music in 2000s was also really different. Like radio to always encouraged it, but the music was so much more about bands as opposed to just artists. There were so many bands and there were so many like remixes also at that point.
Linkin Park was so much crazy at that time.
Every
no?
cool kid on the block
We'll have a necklace also.
ऐसे पोस्टर
Linkin
वोस्टर
Park
लगा
का.
के रखेंगे. I used to also love Venga Boys and I used to love Shakira obviously. What's your favorite 2000s memory in general?
Cycling to my school. It's very different now. We don't have those cycles. वो जो proper एकदम cushion वाला seat रहता था, पीछे carrier, उसमें अपना bag डालते थे. To have that पीछे का backpack. So cycle पे वो पीछे used to, you know what I'm
हाँ
talking
पता है
about?
वो सीट रहता है उसके
Seat-
ऊपर ऐसे you can
हाँ,
lock
you
it.
can lock it.
हाँ.
And then तुम्हारे साइकिल में आगे वो हैंडल के पास
बास्केट भी रह सकता
बास्केट
है.
थोड़ा सा कुछ
हाँ.
डालोगे और मस्त तुम साइकिलिंग. एंड ओ हो आई यूज्ड टू डेकोरेट माय साइकिल सो मच. पूरा एकदम रेड कलर का बना के रखा था मैंने उसको. सो माय मेमोरी विद माय granddad after 7 p.m. or something, I'll sleep with him. People used to sleep on the ground only, but we'll put one chaddar on top and me and my granddad will sleep there, and he'll teach me English, okay, because he was very good with English. So he will teach me all the grammar and like present tense, past tense and all of that. So we
Yeah.
used to like before sleeping 2-hour session with him and then we'll sleep off. That was my core memory. Yeah.
think my peak 2000s core memory is that was the last time I think I felt like I'm not being watched by someone. You know what I mean?
Oh.
Like you could just do whatever you wanted. You could just mind your business and
Yeah, nobody cares.
nobody really cares. There was no one to tell you, oh, this is right, this is wrong, this is. You would just try things and just find out, oh, okay, it's not the best thing. But like now I feel like everyone's always watching, everything's out there, everything's on social media. In 2000s, you could just go disappear, no one cared. Like, yeah, just being offline all the time. I think I want to go offline, Pallavi.
Offline.
Yeah.
Let's dump our phones and go somewhere. But then how will they watch our podcast?
Yeah, how will we make this podcast?
We'll schedule, no? We'll schedule for 1 month and we'll just fuck off.
No, we like you guys too much
Addict of this technology.
and addicted to your attention. So please give us attention every week.
And subscribe, please.
Subscribe.
See how we do it? How we do it?
You can do it on the TV as well.
Subscribe now and then do subscribe. Yay! In
Yeah.
case you didn't know how to do it.
If you're on your phone, on your laptop, on your TV, or any other device that supports YouTube, I don't know. But
रेडियो पे सब्सक्राइब करो जाओ भाई सीडी वीडी लगा के सब्सक्राइब करोगे
just subscribe. It's free of cost. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and
Yeah.
comment your favorite 2000s memories.
movies food
Fashion,
yeah
technology,
yeah
and
anything and everything
anything and everything. We would love to know because we're
Yeah.
obsessed with 2000s. But
yeah we love making this hope you like the video if you do tell us
tell us. But in India also there was interesting.
sorry you said bands and only bands I could remember is DJ Ramesh DJ Ramesh you have something with Ramesh भैया में ना डीजे के नाम पे वो ना कुछ तो some band के नाम पे they'll play proper UP core music DJ wait I'll show you
It's everywhere. It's even
क्या
in
बात कर रही है?
Maharashtra. Well, Maharashtra में full ढोल आ जाता है. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun,
हाँ, हाँ.
dun-dun. Like in UP, it's more like dun, 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 dun.
अरे अरे
एक ही डीजे रहता था फुल गांव में और उसके बाद बस वो एक ही सेट
हाँ.
रहता था एंड
Yes.
एवरी इवेंट यू वुड जस्ट लिसन टू दैट वन म्यूजिक इट्स लाइक even if you have like 15 tracks it will still be on that same beat.
उसी में कोई बीच में बोलता है डीजे 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 हाँ
Yeah.
sorry thank you guys I'm
All the gaon wale DJs, city wale DJs who do that don't stop because that's what makes you unique.
let's go
Yeah.